In this video, I want to show you how to connect your JBL Soundbar to your computer, PC or Mac computer using Bluetooth. This way, you can watch movies on your computer or listen to music, and you get a very good sound comparing to the built-in speakers of your computer. So the first step is to put the soundbar into Bluetooth pairing mode. How do you do this? Well, very easy. You're gonna press the power button to turn it on. And then with this button right over here, it's an arrow and half of a circle. You're gonna press on it until you get into Bluetooth mode, BT. If it says Bluetooth pairing, this is great. You don't have to do anything. If it doesn't say Bluetooth pairing, as over here it says Bluetooth disconnected, you need to keep press this button once you're on it to put it in pairing mode. You see, now it says BT pairing. Great. Go on your computer and now, well, it will depend if you have a Mac or PC, but on a PC, you go over here down below, you click on the small arrow, you're going to find the Bluetooth logo, click on it, select Add Bluetooth Device. On a Mac, usually it's on the top, you're going to have the Bluetooth options. And over here, you're going to select Add Device. Select the first option, which is Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds and the JBL soundbar will appear in this list. JBL bar 2.1, this is my bar, so I'll simply click on it and it will say connecting, and here we go, it's now connected. If I play any movies, anything, the sound will come out of there. On a PC computer, if you want to revert to the built-in speakers because you're done using it, you can go over here down below, click on the speaker logo, and right over here you see that's the sound volume slider. Well, right beside it, if you click, you'll be able to switch between the JBL soundbar, which is selected currently, or the speakers, which are the built-in speakers of the computer. So that's how you can go back to the internal speakers. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.